firm's founders, Morris Archer Jr. and Judge William Boyle, recognized the need to establish an alternative to Philadelphia firms as a source of distinguished legal work. They opened the firm's first office on September 6, 1928, in the Humphrey Building at 3rd Market Street in Camden, New Jersey. Today, Archer and Greiner is one of the largest law firms in the Delaware Valley, and among the 5 largest in New Jersey. Archer and Greiner serves businesses and individuals throughout the region and in an increasing number of other states and jurisdictions. With a network of regional offices from Philadelphia to New Jersey, the firm has more than 175 lawyers, practicing all major legal disciplines, including corporate, labor, commercial litigation, family, real estate, and many more. The firm's principal office is located in Haddonfield, New Jersey, suburb of Philadelphia. They have additional offices in Philly, Princeton, Hackensack, Flemington, and Red Bank, New Jersey, Wilmington, Delaware, and New York City. Each of their locations, whether in Philadelphia or New York, has a lawyer that is well versed to meet legal needs from simple legal inquiries to complex estate planning issues. Archer and Greiner has been a good friend to the African American Chamber of Commerce of New Jersey. They've been a member for a number of years, and they've been a supporter financially of this organization. It is my privilege and pleasure at this time to bring the representative, who is also a committee person on the diversity committee for Archer and Greiner, to the floor. He's also a frat brother of mine. Right. Campaign Secretary, Mr. Lloyd Freeman. Lloyd.
Thank you, Brother Johnson. Good evening.
Good evening.
Again, I'm Lloyd Freeman. I'm an attorney at Archer and Greiner. And on behalf of all the attorneys at my firm, it's certainly my honor and privilege to accept this award tonight. As has already been stated, Archer and Greiner is a regional law firm with about 200 attorneys. But what I believe has made us so successful is that our firm really understands the importance of diversity. As a member of my firm's diversity committee, I know firsthand how Archer and Greiner has been a leader amongst our contemporaries in diversifying our profession. If you've ever heard the statistics of diversity within the legal profession, they are abysmal. In all law firms nationwide, only 4.1% of the associates are black. And even worse, only 1.78% of the partners are black. Knowing this, my firm has made great strides to ensure that we are doing our part to improve those numbers. What I'm most proud of is that we have several pipeline programs, both at Rutgers University School of Law and also at Temple Law School, to award scholarships and summer associate positions to minority law students. But once they've made it, I've seen far too often black and other minority attorneys who come in the doors, they look around, they don't see anyone who's a mirror image of themselves, and they leave the private practice of law because they feel they cannot succeed. So we moved away from a goal of diversity to more of a spirit of inclusion. Because when you think about it, diversity is simply when you count people, but inclusion is when you make people count. So a few years back, I led an effort to create an affinity group for our firm called LEAD, and that's an acronym for Lawyers Encouraging Archer's Diversity, so that we can focus on the inclusion of minority attorneys once they join our ranks and ensure their success. Last but certainly not least is Archer and Greiner's commitment to diversity in its business. We work with a wide range of clients from Fortune 100s to small and medium-sized businesses owned and operated by minorities. And I'm very proud of our partnership with the African American Chamber of Commerce. We admire the work that the Chamber is doing to foster economic empowerment in black communities and also to encourage entrepreneurship. Archer and Greiner looks forward to working with the Chamber for many years to come as we continue this extremely important mission. Thank you so much for this honor.